Welcome back to this video. If you use Windows PC, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to remove or uninstall unwanted apps from your Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here under your search menu. What you need to do is to type in control panel. Then having typed in control panel, come to the top right there, click on control panel, and it's going to pump up like so. Then go to programs, then go to uninstall programs. Then it's take you to all the programs you have successfully installed on your PC. Then from here, you can simply scroll down and check on which of the app you really want to remove or delete it permanently from your Windows PC. So right here, I'm going to simply remove this Google Password Manager right here. What you want to do is to simply click on it, and after you click on it, then we can simply come to uninstall right here, or better still, you can right click and choose uninstall. And then this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on uninstall. So it has been successfully. So by the time we refresh, and then it's going to be nowhere to be found right here. As you can see right here, we have successfully uninstalled and removed completely the app on my PC right here. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.